If your car is shaking like it has a fever every time you come to a stop, and that annoying check engine light just popped up with the code P0277, you are likely dealing with a fuel injector that is drawing way too much current on your number 6 cylinder. This is one of those generic powertrain codes, which means it can happen to almost any modern vehicle equipped with an OBD2 system. But the way you fix it might change a bit depending on what you are driving. Basically, your engine is telling you that the fuel injector for cylinder number 6 is either working very poorly or has completely checked out because of a problem within the electrical circuit. You really do not want to ignore this issue because a bad fuel injector will quickly ruin your spark plug, cause dangerous engine detonation, and eventually destroy your oxygen sensor or even your expensive catalytic converter. One of the biggest culprits I have seen over the years is actually the fuel itself. Specifically, if you are using fuel with high anhydrous ethanol content, like EE10, because that water vapor produced by the ethanol eats away at the lubrication that injectors desperately need to stay healthy, and causes them to wear out way before their time. Before you go out and spend your hard-earned money on expensive new parts, I want you to try a simple trick. Grab a long screwdriver and press the handle firmly against your ear while you touch the metal tip to the fuel injector while the engine is running. If you do not hear a clear and steady clicking sound, that injector is likely dead and not firing. You should also grab an ohmmeter and check the resistance between the two male terminal blades on the injector itself. A healthy injector should typically read somewhere between 0.5 and 2.0 ohms. If you see a reading that is way higher or lower than that, you are looking at an internal short, and the injector needs to be swapped out. If the electrical side seems to be fine and you can hear it clicking, the injector might just be physically plugged or dirty. You can try using a direct injection cleaner kit where you pull the fuel pump fuse, let the engine stall out to bleed off all the pressure, and then run the engine directly off a can of specialized cleaner through the fuel rail service port. It is a bit of a process, but it could save you a lot of trouble if it clears out the gunk. Use a standard code scanner to erase the DT. See once you are finished, and see if it stays away.